Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering things into a known state. Charge the case and both buds for at least 30 minutes so firmware stays stable. Once done, turn off Bluetooth and forget the AirPods on every paired device to avoid automatic reconnection. Open the case and hold the setup button for about 15 seconds until the LED flashes white. This forces a factory reset. You do this because firmware corruption and pairing conflicts cause most common issues, and a reset clears those states. Once reset, physically inspect each bud. Debris on the mesh or in the case causes audio and mic problems, so gently brush and use a 70% isopropyl swab around edges. Avoid liquids on drivers. Next, repair by opening the case near your device and following the on-screen prompt. This ensures a clean Bluetooth handshake. Make sure firmware is current by checking settings general about AirPods. Firmware fixes connectivity and ANC bugs that simple resets cannot address. You finish by calibrating sensors and validating performance. Play audio and test the mic across apps at different volumes to catch intermittent faults. Once done, remove and replace each bud a few times and toggle between active noise cancellation and transparency mode to ensure sensors respond correctly. Make sure both left and right channels match in volume. If problems persist after repeating the reset and cleaning steps, consider contacting Apple support. Persistent imbalance or dead drivers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.